Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thanks so much for watching me today. Today's video features a card using the Trees for Sale stamp set. That's the stamp set there, and this is the card that we're making. The Trees for Sale stamp set is on page 39 of the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. That's the cover there. If you don't have a copy of it already and you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you live in New Zealand, I'd be more than happy to send you one. My contact details, if you email me, stampingmary, MERRY @gmail.com, I'll get one in the mail to you. So let me show you how I made it. It's a pool party card base, and I've used Parakeet Party and some of the Evening Evergreen and a little bit of Sweet Sorbet classic ink as well, just to stress the edges of the card there, just for something a little bit different. So let's get on to the stamping. I'm going to stamp these trees first. I'm going to bring in a piece of just scrap thick basic white card. Now this stamp set is a two-step, so I'm going to do the two trees in the base of the trees in Parakeet Party. And just, oops, it's not going to work. So pop that on there, one there, and then the smaller one just next to it. So we're going to cut these out using a circles dies. That'll do, about there. And then this Parakeet Party. Then I'm going to bring in my Evening Evergreen. I'm actually going to stamp this off, so I'll just bring in a piece of scrap there so we get a lighter image. So this is pretty dark, this Evening Evergreen, so stamp it off there once to get a lighter shade, and then come over. And the same with the smaller trees. So there's 3 trees in here, and they've all got the base of the tree and then the top using a different colour. So stamp that off. Oops. And I'm also, for the little, the foot of the tree, I'm also going to use Evening Evergreen. And I haven't got the foot of that tree on a block, which does not help. There we go. Let's pop it on a block now. Okay. So it doesn't really matter too much. I'm doing it full strength. I'm not going to see a huge amount of the base, but whoops. Didn't make a great job of that one. Being photopolymer, you can actually go over it quite easily. So let's get them out of the way. In fact, we don't need that colour again. Close them up so that they are here. I like Evening Evergreen and Parakeet Party and Evening Evergreen together. I wouldn't have thought it, but they look good. So let's do the rest of the stamping too on with the pool party. We're going to cut that out in just a moment. So bring in a piece of scrap there, and we're just going to, with that very cute light stamp, so the row of light Christmas lights, I'm just going to bring in pool party, and I'm just going to stamp from one corner to the other, and I'm not being super fussy about where they go. If they cross over again, that's totally okay. That one there needs slightly more underneath it. Just do that one a bit, just there. So as you can see, I'm not being I'm just trying to, you know, get another nice little pattern going on there. So that was pool party on pool party. Right, that's nearly all the stamping done. Got a little bit more stamping to do, but let's bring in the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine now and cut out our trees. So I'm using, I think it's about the second to largest circle die. I've already gone ahead and with my scallop dies, the next size up, I've cut a background too, just in the Parakeet Party cardstock. Let's do a little bit of stamping here in Pool Party again, just to tie in that Pool Party against the Parakeet Party. And I need the little stamp that is needs to be on a block. It's a rather big block for a tiny little stamp, but anyway. So this is just to come around here, just those little snowflakes. Like I said, just to tie in that colour of the Pool Party against the parakeet. Perhaps wouldn't have thought it they go together, but I kind of think they do. That's probably enough, I think. Right, let's adhere those. Tape. Oops. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh well, it's gonna work. Just be very gentle. Oh, now that is how you don't do it. All right, let's get this right. We've all done it, right? We've all done that. There we go. Okay, that's fine. So let me show you how I did that. So I just brought in my paper snips because they are sharp and they do a great job of this. So all I'm doing is just roughing up these edges, just like that, just to distress them. And so do it as much as you like, I guess as little as you like. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Depends how distressed looking you want it to be. Okay. All right. Now on this card, I have gone ahead with some Wink of Stella and coloured it in. So not sure which, coloured in the little lights I should say. I'm not sure which I like. I think I like them coloured in. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do that now because I did it as sort of an afterthought when I originally made the card. But I feel like it just gives it kind of a cute little, just gives it that little bit of bling. And if you did this on a white base, you could colour them all in with your blends, different coloured Christmas lights. That would look cute too. But yeah, just the Wink of Stella, just to just for a little bit of tiny little bit of shine. Right, dimensional on the back of that. And then right, and around about there, looks about good, looks about right. Yep. Let's adhere the card base now. So it's just a half a sheet of A4 cardstock, cut in half and scored in half. Just didn't use my bone folder properly to see where my bone folder is on the table. There it is. Just hadn't quite got that right. Right, okay. So, little bit of I used the trees for sale. I've already gone ahead and stamped that and just fussy cut that out because there's no die for that one, and a little piece of the sweet sorbet ribbon just to make a little ribbon underneath. Just that extra little pop of colour on the card. Don't worry if your glue dot, you can see the glue dot because we're going to put a little sentiment over the top of it, so it's all good. Let's put a dimensional on the back. Probably should have used my mini dimensionals, but that's okay. It works. Yeah. Trim the ribbon. What do you think? The wink is stellar or not? I like it. I like it. I like it. And of course, favourite adhesive of all time is dimensionals. To give some extra layers to this card. Pretty easy, quick card to make actually. Just with only 4 inks actually. Used 4 for that one. There we go, and there you have it. Trees for sale stamp set, trees for sale Christmas card. Cute, easy, quick to make. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I've put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.